Hi, my name is Cristina Barber. I am an Ecology, Evolution and Behavior PhD student at Boise State University, and I will talk about translating science into Spanish to increase access to scientific knowledge. No one can deny the importance of language to share ideas, but languages are even more. Languages are an important part of the culture. One example is words that cannot be translated. They can be explained, but they will be hard to fully understand if you're not part of the culture. For example, sobremesa, in Spanish, describes the period after a meal in which you continue sitting at the table, chatting and enjoying each other's company. Or philotomo, sorry for the pronunciation, in Greek, which describes a person who understands the responsibility to themselves as a human being to always do the right thing and with honor. Not only that, but for bilingual people, language creates a sense of belonging, and they will carefully choose which language is the appropriate one for each occasion. Paraphrasing Thompson 1998, choice of language can be just as significant as the choice of words. English is the primary language in science, but only 15% of the world population speaks it as a first or second language. This means that access to science is more challenging for 85% of the world population, and that their living experiences and knowledge are marginalized in research. If we want to increase diversity and inclusion in STEM, we need to disseminate scientific knowledge to non-English speaker audiences and acknowledge the existing multilingual landscape. This is why this project's objective is to translate science in languages other than English in a format understandable for a broad audience. We are an interdisciplinary team composed of professors, graduate and undergraduate students from the departments of biology and world language. During the fall semester, we scripted and recorded original videos in Spanish of research done under the Gen 3 intended for a broad audience. These tasks require creating content that is understandable and interesting for a broad audience and translating it into Spanish while being as faithful as possible to the original meaning, which is not always easy as language wires our brains in different ways. We expect that the dissemination of these videos will help to increase the access of a multilingual audience to science.